The next test you could do at home is with, we call them test strips. These are things that you can order from catalogs, or you might be able to find them at your local aquarium store. These strips have a sensitivity range from 4 to 9. The other thing that I like to test at home is nitrate nitrogen. The reason is because nitrogen changes in the soil constantly, and so your soil sample will tell you your starting point, but later on in the year you might want to check it for yourself and see if your plants still have enough. Both of these are very easy to use. I like to make a 1-to-1 soil-water mixture. So just use any jar or cup, make sure it's clean, take that same soil sample that you gathered. Again, you might mix it to make sure that you're getting a representative sample, and then take a little cup, sample it the same way you would measure out flour, just not a packed, just kind of a loose sample, and put 1 cup of soil, and then take water. It can be drinking water or it can be distilled water. If it's drinking water, just make sure it's low in nitrate. Put 1 cup of water and then put the lid on and shake it. Mix the soil and water together, and then you're going to let it set and let the soil settle out, because you need a liquid that's more clear than not. If it's too brown, the test strip colors won't show up very well. You can also stick a piece of filter paper or paper towel or coffee filter and help let the coffee filter soak up some of that, or to filter out some of that liquid. You just put it in the middle of the cup and then leave a depression and then collect the clear water in the middle of the filter. We're going to use a little bit of this sample that is clear to show you, or more clear to show you how the test strips work. The pH test strip has 1 pad, and you just dip it in the water and it starts to turn color. The nitrate test strip is the same way. You dip it, pull it out, and in 30 seconds it starts to turn color. And then you use the color charts on the bottles to compare the test strip. So I would say this one's coming out to be about a 7 pH, which is just right. You want your pH to be about 6.5 to 7. On the nitrate test strip, we're going to wait a little bit longer. It's going to turn pink. If it's 0, it's white, and then if it turns pink, if it was in the 5 to 5 range, I would say it's a little bit light. If 10 to 20 is ideal, and then 50 would be too much fertilizer if this was a soil. If this was a compost, that'd be about right. That'd be a good compost.
For more information, visit your local extension office or visit our website.